Hello everyone, welcome back to VTU Engineers. I have an important update for BE Tech 8th semester students regarding OEC PEC course registration. The online registration for professional elective course and open elective courses examination is now officially open. In this video, I will explain who should register and step-by-step registration process, exam fee details, important instruction for autonomous college students. So watch this video till the end. First, we go to the main topic, who should register. This registration is only for BE Tech 8 students of 8th semester studying in affiliated colleges, studying in VTU constituent colleges. Autonomous college students should not register through this portal. A separate registration process will be announced soon to the autonomous college students. First of all, step-by-step registration process I will explain. First, you should visit the OEC PEC portal and login using your username and password used during the initial to registration process. Open the exam tab. After login, you click on the exam tab at the top of the menu. Then select the registration category BE Tech exam registration for OEC PEC. Then verify your courses. Check whether displayed OEC PEC subjects are same once you registered for earlier. Then submit the application. If all details are correct, click on submit application. Then check confirmation. Your submitted application will appear under the examination application section. After completing the registration, you must also book your exam slot. This slot booking option will be enabled shortly and the official procedure will be shared soon. So keep checking the portal regularly. Students who have already paid the 8th semester exam fee of 1685 through their colleges do not need to pay any additional fees for OEC PEC exam registration. So if you are already paid the regular exam fee, registration is completely free for on this portal. Important warning for autonomous college students. If you are studying in autonomous college, even if you are taking a OEC PEC courses through this portal, do not submit this registration form. VTU will release a separate registration process for autonomous students very soon. My final advice is to complete your registration as early as possible and double check your subject details before submitting. Don't wait until the last date. That's all today's update. If this video is helpful to you, please like the video, comment your doubts below, subscribe to VTU Engineers. Share this video with your classmates. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.